all this, man. Water me want to drink. I'm happy they even tell me nothing sure I can't find in here, so. Hot, you know. Where them people in that water? Hello? A little water, me I beg you to open up now. Nobody leave here, sir. Hello? 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 Nobody in here? Hello? People, man.
Look. Wake up. I think someone's trying to break in the house. We're gonna kick his ass. Come on, let's go.
What are you? Alas buat mo. Hello? Hello?
Stop it, Luke. I need a frying pan. I need some clear rock. I need some cars, and I'll set up the traps.
Go. All right.
Water right there. Clear rock right there. Cars right here. And all the doors are locked, so I'm gonna put the frying pan in there, and then after that, boom! Thank you. All right, Luke, help me set up the traps.
Go check it out.
Look, since all the traps are ready, we're gonna go hide, and after that, I'm gonna use this pan for defense, alright? Let's go hide. Sorry.
Be a thing awesome, man. My room in that room. Yo, somebody in the house, you know. Yo, who there? Why are you doing this to my father? Look out there, you know. Yo, who did that? Yo, I feel the chop on my back, yo. Yo, which one of them room, yeah? I ain't in here.
this. Take his shirt. I'm gonna take off his pants.
Why?
We got no time for this. Take off his shirt. I'll take off his pants.
Ouch. You turn on the water while I go get the guns.
All right.
Man, what you guys doing, man?
Why are you in the house?
Yo!
Why are you in my house?
Man, you where that boy?
Why in my house? Talk now.
Mike, what's going on now? We don't shoot me now.
Talk now.
Alright, I go want to you up. I go want to you up. I go want to you. My man, that's nothing at all. My man,
Stop it now.
Alright, let's put on the gun now. Let's put on the gun now. Let's put on the gun now, my youth. Let's put on the gun now.
Let me get his pants. Let me get his pants.
Why in the house?
My dad, go water me you want my youth. I just go water me you want that. I'm never know sit and read up from my man. You shoot me now, man. You little boy now. Where you do that gun there?
I'll give you 3 to get out of here.
Man, just don't show my youth.
I'll give you 3 seconds to get out of here. 1, 2.
Wait.